thirikari iri ihenya-ini ria gukinyaniria tabarĩra cia guciarithia thitima itarahuthira maguta ma ndithũrũ itemi-ini ria kumenyerera maria maturigicĩirie. Uhoro uyu uheanĩtwo ni minista wa hinya uria tuhuthagira Davis Chirchir akiaria hindi ya kwamukira mitambo ya transformer itura-ini ria Ortum iria ikunyitithania Takwel na Kitale, agikinyiriria ati guciarithia thitima irarũmbũiya maria maturigicĩirie niguo guteithia kuhuthia thogora wa thitima bũrũri-inĩ. Chirchir ogereire ati thirikari irenda guciarithia thitima hakuhi na muingi niguo kunyihia thogora wa gutambiria muingi thitima na uitangi wa thitima uria umanaga na gukua mwaki wayo gutwara matura maraihaniririe.
So what the government did when they came in place was to accelerate the ongoing projects which were near completion so that we can bring down the cost of power by unlocking some of those challenges. You'll also appreciate that to serve this area, the power has been taking a very long route and looping back to come and service this town. When that happens, we get a lot of power losses because the longer the line is, there is impedance or resistance in the line. You lose so much, and you do know our network today loses about, we have power losses of about 22% in total, both transmission, commercial, and technical losses. So when we have this kind of short routes, high capacity routes, we are able to reduce that losses, and the losses that would otherwise be paid by us, because the generators don't lose, we pay the generators. When they generate, we've just come from Menengai, where they today started feeding the grid with some 35 megawatts. They'll be paid for their 35 megawatts. But by the time that power reaches the load centers, or where the consumption happens, we could be delivering a loss of about 20%. Of 35% is about 6 minus 6. So you'll be talking about, we'll deliver about 28 megawatts to the market, and yet we are paying the generator for 35. So the question is, who pays for the loss of 6 megawatts? 6 megawatts is a lot of power. It is paid by you and me, the customers. It is paid by industry. So when we reduce and improve the transmission links or networks and distribution networks, we are able to bring down the losses and therefore bring down the cost of energy to our people. We are all concerned. We want to bring down the